Hello everyone, another day, another EA. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung paano gumagana itong bagong develop nating EA na tawag nating US30 Arsenal bot. As you can see, nag-randomly run ako from 2023 to 2025. But this result that you are seeing right now is a result within 2024. So from January to December. Yes. So the initial deposit was 1,000. So proceed tayo sa presentation. So US30 Arsenal bot. The secret behind the effectiveness towards success. So disclosure lang guys. I am not a professional trader or a financial expert advisor. I, I built this system to assist and help everyone, especially to those who are just started on their trading journey. Now, who can use the EA? So basically, lahat pwedeng gumamit nito. This was created for experienced and beginner traders. So anyone can use this EA, especially to those who don't have time to trade manually. So hindi naman ako, hindi naman sa ayaw kong mag-manual, pero alam naman ng mga, especially ng mga trader na yung emotion will always there. So parang I make it a point na okay, let's create a system, the same strategy that I'm using sa manual trading ko. And next. So what strategy the EA using? The EA only trade at London and New York opening session with maximum 4 trades a day. So meaning to say, it's a price action strategy expecting much more volume. Kasi ito, mataas yung volatility during these hours kasi opening yan here. Yan yung mga big players, mga banks. So yan, during opening hours, especially these two sessions, the EA marking the opening and closing of a special candle. So yan, nagkakaroon siya ng pending order dito, which is yung buy order and sell order. So trade during opening session. The EA or the bot is hard-coded to trade in a specific time alignment based on your time zone in PU Prime server time. This part is critical to consider because it needs the time to align together. In different country, like Canada, Dubai, and Philippines, has different time setup. So eto guys, time-based kasi yung EA. So alam naman natin na hindi ibig sabihin nag-open na yung market. Yun na rin yung time ng server ng PU Prime, no? Doesn't work like that. So kailangan nating i-align yun. Especially yung opening mismo. Meron kasing kino-consider yung EA doon na special candle as I mentioned. So yan. Next. So yan. What makes the EA stand out? So, for this sample, the EA was backtested within the whole year of 2024 as I mentioned earlier. So you can see the result is giving us a lot of potential. So ito, nag-test lang ako ng isang buong taon is to monitor the performance of this EA. So, i-run through ko lang kayo dito. So, ang initial deposit ko for this testing, my initial deposit is 1,000 US dollar. So, at the end of the year, ang total net profit niya is 11,396.12 US dollar. So, be mindful na ito, ang profit factor natin is 3.21. So, we'll discuss more about it later on. So, total number of trades, 837 in a year. So guys, ito yung drawdown niya, 10.28%. So imagine, paabot natin ng ganito. Ganito kababa. And also the win rate guys. I hate to say, pero siguro yung mga kapanood nito, sabihin na scam. Well, I can't blame you or I can I can please you to like accept this kind of result. Pero ito talaga yung lumalabas guys. So, okay. Proceed tayo. So, yan yung, okay. Pag-usapan natin itong profit factor. So, profit factor in trading is a performance that tells you how much gross profit you made for every unit of gross loss. Ibig sabihin, meron kang gross profit at saka gross loss, makikita mo doon kung ano yung magiging profit factor mo. So, for this one, naging result niya for this fund, which is 1,000 USD, yung initial, is 3.21. Ibig sabihin, you're making $3.21 for every $1 loss, which indicates the EA is efficient. Okay? So, yan. So, number of trades. Yan. When it comes to total trades, within the year, it has traded 837 times, which indicates moderate activity, well-balanced. This tell us it's doing quality trades and not overtrading. Yan. So, naging workaround ko dito. Imbes na multiple trading or multiple position yung kino-consider ng EA, what I did what I did was single trade lang. Single trade lang as in isang trade bawat ah ano no every opening kasi ng London at New York. So ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng two position for London opening at the same time sa New York naman ganun din. So maximum of 4 trades. Yan, next step. So drawdown. Yan, guys. As I mentioned a while ago, from the result, the EA or the system gave us drawdown percentage of 10.28. Any drawdown from 0 to 20% is still a healthy level. It tells us the maximum drop in the account balance reached by 10.28% at some point before it recovered and continued to grow. Yun guys. So, napakababa nung drawdown percentage natin. 10.28 guys. So, ganyan ka, I can say safe yung EA na to kasi mababa yung uh, drawdown percentage niya. Okay. So, yan. Oh, yan guys. If you can check on this result, the initial deposit was 1,000 US dollar and turned into 12,396.12. Oh, sorry pala. Hindi pala to. Ay, oo, ito ata yung, kasi itong isa, testing ata to for one lot size. Nagkamali na ako dito. I-edit natin lang yan. So, yan. So, 11. Sorry. Wala natin ng corrections. Yan. So, 11 times. More than 11 times. So, ibig sabihin yan, guys. Maganda yung performance natin. Maganda yung performance ng EA natin. Ngayon, proceed. Yan. Ano naman yung mechanism within the system? So, let's begin with what makes the EA trade safely and efficiently. In few more slides, I will explain everything into details. Though the EA has take profit target for both buy and sell, it is seldom hitting this target because the EA is tended to scalp the market. So yun guys. Ah, nilagay ko lang yung take profit. Kasi um, ang naging purpose din nito is if I want to manual trade, magagamit ko pa rin yung mga indicators yun dito, yung mga object lens na create ng EA para makapag-manual trading. Pero, ang mechanism ni EA is to scalp the market. So, after some points or pips, ang nakaset lang kasi dito, makikita ko explain sa inyo later is Yung first level ng trailing niya is 30 points or 3 pips. Tsaka yung second level niya is 5 pips or 50 points. So, yan. And mechanism within the system pa rin tayo. Let's begin with what makes the A trade safe and efficient in few. Okay, atin na doble ata. Okay. Hindi lang tayo nag-proceed. Ito yan. Yan. Mechanism within the system. Continuation tayo. It has also dynamic trailing stop with the first and second level. This moves the stop loss. Gusto nyo siguro alam na to. This moves the stop loss to certain pips or points to lock in the profit. It means that if it reach 3 pips, it goes to break even, and more than that, say plus 3 pips more, you are then plus 3 pips or positive profit. Yan guys, yun yung nagiging advantage ng dynamic trailing. Meron tayong application sa ating EA. Napaka-useful nitong mechanism na to kasi nalalak din niya. So imagine 3 pips lang yan guys. Once na reach niya yan, let's say pipitik lang yung market. Pipitik lang yung position natin. So konting profit ka na dyan. Pero yung konting profit na yan, naiipon yan guys. So minsan hindi lang kasi kapag trend minsan kapag nagkakaroon ng snipe move or yung sniper move na tinatawag nila, malala yung trailing doon. Ang ganda. Talagang sinasalo lahat. So, yan. So, next. Yan. So, continuation pa rin tayo, guys. In order for the EA to perform and trade accordingly, we incorporate trading time zones for different countries. As of now, we have settings for Canada, Dubai. So, yan, guys. Kasi yung mga kakilala ko na gumagamit na rin ng EA is coming from Dubai, yung iba dito sa Canada, yung iba sa Philippines. So, yun. Kailangan kasing i-align. Etong EE na to is intended talaga for PU firms. PU prime broker talaga guys. Yung time kasi ng opening ng market kailangan may align sa server ng PU prime. Para para synchronize sila guys. Para hindi mag-catch ng false opening time. Kasi not specifically na yung opening mismo yung start. I mean, yun lang yung nagiging base ng EA. Tapos, na-identify niya yung special candle na yun to create these spending orders. Ayan guys. So, proceed tayo. Ayan. Continuation pa rin guys. Within the settings pa rin tayo ng EA. So, slippage. Sa mga nakakalam, slippage. Slippage is set to 3. This means that for every request of the EA for an order, it only allows broker price up to 3 points or 0.3 pips. If the price moves more than 3 points from the EA intended price, it will not execute the trade. Ayan guys. So parang nag-uusap yan. Nag-uusap yung EA tsaka yung broker kung yung price during that time is more than yung slippage na nakaset, hindi magpi-place yung order. So part din ng mechanism natin yan for safety, for risk management. Ayan, sige. Ito, yun pa rin guys, continuation pa rin tayo. Ito naman. So, meron din akong nilagay dito sa settings within the EA. This EA is equipped with a unique magic number. So, iba siguro sa inyo alam na din to. These settings make the EA distinguish its own trade in your manual trades. Ibig sabihin guys, i-identify niya yung sariling trade niya at saka yung trade mo manually. So without this mechanism, if you manually place a trade, it will take control of your positions. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi pwede talagang papakialaman talaga ni EA yung mga positions mo. So magkakaroon yan ng immature na exit kasi kahit sabihin mo na may take profit ka na sinet pero after a while clinose ni EA pag walang magic number na yan. So we don't want that to happen. So that is why we have this magic number to mine its own trade. So yun yung kagandahan nun guys. Though I encourage that kailangan natin ng account for ano, for specific automatic trading account natin. kahit meron tong magic number na to para at least intact pa rin siya doon. So pag kailangan natin ng kung kailangan natin magmanual, we can create a different account naman. Tapos yun, yung mga signal niya. So mamaya guys, may explain ko sa inyo kung ano pa yung meron dito sa EA na to. So yan. So eto. So mechanism within the system pa rin tayo guys. So eto guys, isa sa mga pinagmamalang ko na yung features niya. Telegram message. So a special added feature to send signals and notify you whenever the EA has trades. The purpose of this feature is for you to maximize the potential signal by trading it manually with your second account. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na meron kayong separate na manual trading account. As much as possible, even the EA has magic number, I suggest to create a different account for the EA. Yan guys, so meron kayong MT4 account for automatic trading intended for this EA at saka manual trading pag gusto nyo i-maximize. Ito guys, I'll explain more siguro sa different video na yon. Kailangan papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng Telegram bot para may connect natin sa EA natin. Doon natin sasaluhin lahat ng signal niya. So, magsiserve as notification na rin sa inyo yun kapag may na-receive kayong ganyan. It means that your EA has trades. Yan. So, how it works? Ito lang, napakasimple lang guys. So, yan. In this picture, makikita nyo dito na ito London session opening to. So, after the market open, a special candle is identified by the EA and mark it with the following. Yan. Ito lang yung mga pre-place niya. So, buy stop order, sell stop order, and take profit or buy and sell. Yan guys. So, as I've said earlier, eto guys, kung gusto nyo i-maximize to, itong mga set object lines na to, especially itong mga take profit target ng EA na Senate ng EA, I mean to say, uh, gawin nyo dun sa manual trading account. Ito kasi, parang nagkaroon lang ako ng idea na gusto ko lang ipakita. Para at least if someone's want to do manually, pwede na lang i-trade yun. Pero yung behavior ni EA is scalping talaga. So scalp then immediately exit the market. So yun. Now let's proceed. Yan. How it works. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, the EA only scalps and leave the market immediately applying the different level of trailing ability of the system. In this scenario, the sell stop triggered. Okay, nauna yung sell stop dito and take a decent profit and leave the market. Yan guys, ganun talaga. Pa-kurot-kurot lang siya. So now, as you can see in the picture, the TP target is hit as well. Yun guys, that's the purpose of your manual trading account to trade if you want to maximize the potential profit. So, yun nga. Kasi, yung probability, yung possibility, kasi opening of market to. So, expect mo yung volatility yan. Okay. Next. So, yan. Ito naman, New York session opening naman to. Same thing, ganun din yung ginagawa ng EA. Pini-place niya yung mga trades, yung mga object lines yan for buy order, sell order. Ayan, puro pending yan. Okay. Okay, so yan guys. Ito, sa scenario naman to, New York opening session. In this scenario, during New York session opening, the buy triggered first. So, nauna yung buy dito, take a profit and exit immediately. Ganun talaga si EA. So, afterwards, the sell triggered next and take a profit as well. Okay, for maximizing this kind of trade, it reaches the 50% of the buy take profit target, while the sell position reaches full target. So, naabot yung sell position mo dito, naabot niya yung buy 50%. So, ayun guys, magkakaroon ka pa rin dyan ng profit dyan. Ayan guys. Medyo hindi masyadong lalakihan natin. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung mga lot size na recommended ko based na sa testing. So, ito yung mga account na possible. So, based on backtesting results, so, ang $100 natin is 0.1 to 0.2, 200.2 to 0.4, 300.3 to 0.6, 400.4 to 0.8, 500.5 to 1, 1,000, 1 to 2, and 2,000, 2 to 2 to 4. So actually guys, meron akong client from Dubai na nag-open ng account niya. So nag-deposit siya ng 2,000. So ang nilagay namin na lot size niya is 3. Ayan. Okay. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys yung mga backtesting results per lot size yan. So yan, eto 100.1 yung lot size dito guys. So 100, ang total net profit niya in a year is 1,214.2. So ang profit factor niya is 3.58. And the rest, maganda pa rin yung mga result niya dito. Okay. Ito naman 200. Ayun. Naging 2,428 in a year. Ito guys, passive income to guys. So you are doing nothing. Talagang 24/7 na nakaranto. Uh, for this kind of setup, kailangan talaga ng VPS dito. Kailangan para ma-run mo siya. Though optional din siya, I mean, pwede mo siyang i-run pero kailangan mong gumising, kailangan mong timingan. Or before mag-open yung market, kailangan mong i-open yung system mo. Okay, proceed tayo guys. So ito, 500, example naman. So 6,000, the whole year niya. Ito yung net profit ng 3.58, ganun pa rin. Nice, consistent. And 1,000 ito. 11,000 guys. 11,396.12. Yan. So, ang lot size dito, 2. Yan. So, ito yung mga sample guys. Ito yung mga listing ko. Gamit yung EA. So, yan guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, since the EA is free for everyone to use, you need to follow the requirements to get the EA. So, one, create your video Prime broker account using the link I provided in the Telegram. Make sure the account you are that make sure that the account you are creating is MT4 account. Otherwise, you can use the EA. Yan. The EA works only with PO Prime because of the time zone alignment. Yun guys, hard-coded talaga guys. PO Prime talaga yung broker dito. You need to provide me your MT4 ID in order to include it in the code so that it's only exclusive for you. It can't be used by other accounts. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nai-hard code ko na or nailagay ko na sa code yung MT4 ID nyo, kahit ipasa nyo sa iba, hindi magagamit. So, yung mga member lang talaga yung mga gamit dito, yung magre-register under my link. So, maliit na bagay lang naman yun guys. Baga para maipagpatuloy din natin itong mga nasimulan natin to develop something, to help everyone. So, yun guys. And the next, yeah, live trading guys. So I'm planning to schedule live manual trading. Yun nga, para ma-maximize magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano i-execute yung mga nare-receive nating signals coming from Telegram, yung binabato ni bot, ni EA. So I've created a signal assistance to copy the signals and paste directly to this assistance. This will make your trading easier, mas mapapadali. Kasi minsan, kapag late ka na mag-copy doon sa, let's say, sa Telegram, hindi mo na nakakatch yung signal. So, yun. So, next. So, yan. Assistance development. Yun nga, guys. Fan talaga ako ng mga ganito, mga So, hindi naman sa magaling akong programmer or I only know how to utilize my resources. May mga AIs na rin tayo to help us to code something. Yan. So since we are dealing with automatic and manual trading, I won't stop developing programs for members to utilize and efficiently trade the market, guys. So yun lang yung mapapangako ko. And the secret behind effectiveness, success. Ito yung nasa unahan ng slides ko, ng presentation. The secret behind effectiveness towards success. So success in trading begins with disciplined risk management. There are no shortcuts or overnight successes. Patience and consistency are vital. While emotions are an inherent part of human nature, this system was developed specifically to help reduce emotional decision making. Yun nga guys, kaya ginawa ko rin to kasi sa sarili ko, kahit I've been trading for how many years, pero nandun pa rin talaga yung emotion, hindi mawawala. Kasi hindi naman tayo pare-parehas eh. So, yan, always invest only what you can afford to lose. Yun yan, palagi ko tong sinasabi. Lalo na sa mga kilala ko na nagda-dive in sa trading. Minsan, yung mga hard-earned money nila ang ine-invest nila. So, make sure na tanggap mo. Kasi ito, risking. Mm, Kailangan talaga. Part ng buhay yan. Kung wala kang gagawin, anong mangyayari sa'yo? Yan. So, ito, trading without a structured strategy is equivalent to gambling. Yan, guys. Trade ka, pasok, enter dyan, enter doon. Ang laki ng lot size, pasok dyan, full margin, wala na. Stop out, liquidated. So, yan, guys. So, with this system, hindi 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 involved dito yung emotion natin. So, just let it flow, trade on its own. So, taking calculated risks, yeah, guys, is part of growth. Kailangan talaga sa buhay talaga kailangan natin may risk talaga. It's far better to act. Yan, kailangan natin gumalaw with purpose than to remain idle waiting for opportunities to come. Hindi mo naman pwedeng hintayin yung bunga ng bayabas na mahulog para kainin, di ba? You have to do something. We need to risk. Risk is a way. Risking is a way of trying. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy this presentation and sana makatulong sa inyo to. Thank you.